how to copy and paste text on Canva mobile app. First of all, you will have to open the Canva app and log in with your account. So simply from here, I will show you how to do it. So simply for that, like I am adding a text here, so it may be a heading. Okay, so simply I am typing here. Okay. All right, so I have added this text here. So to copy the text from here to another page or in the existing page, you will have to click on this track section, and from here you will have to go the three dot just at the upper area of this section. So simply click on that three dot. Okay, so from here you will have to click on this copy section. Okay, so the text is copied to my clipboard. So now you will have to go with another page from here. All right, now to paste that text on here, you will have to click on this page and you will have to go with the options more. And here you got the options to paste. So simply click on this paste option. All right, so now you can see I have pasted the text recently I have copied from another page. So likewise, you can also copy and paste the text on your Canva mobile app. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon over there for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.